Hi there. Today, we're going to learn how to clone your site to another database. It's a good way to improve performance and keep your setup optimized. Let's get started with cloning. First, log into your web hosting control panel. Navigate to the Database Management section. Enter your database name, username, and password. Then click the Create button. Save your database name, username, and password. After creating the new database, scroll down to find it and verify that all MySQL user permissions are set, allowing you to clone your site to this database. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to the WP Staging tab and click on Staging Sites to continue. Next, you'll find a button labeled Create Staging Site. Click this button to start cloning your site to another database. Enter your staging site name. Click on the Advanced Settings tab and check the Change Database checkbox. Enter the server address, usually localhost, along with the previously saved database username, password, and name. If needed, update the database prefix. Make sure it ends with an underscore. After entering your details, click Test Database Connection to verify your credentials. If correct, click Start Cloning to begin. Wait for the process to finish. Once you see the staging site created successfully message, click the Close button. Your site is now cloned to another database. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.